I am so happy to finally be starting my journey as an IMEC cadet. I'm excited about what lies ahead, all the things I will learn, and the opportunities that will open up for me. I take the responsibility very seriously, and I want to make my sponsors, my mentors, and my family proud of me. IMEC provides every cadet like me with a Memorandum of Agreement, which is a contract that explains our obligations. They make it very clear what is expected of us and what I can expect from them. The program is 4.5 years from start to finish. Before this, we must pass an initial medical examination and maintain a high level of health and fitness throughout this time. Just as important, however, is the academic side of things. We need to maintain a 60% average across all of our exams, and we must keep a fully complete training record book while at sea, which details all of our development. IMEC pays my tuition fees, lodgings, and board for the first 2 years at an academy, which is really great. Which means I don't have to worry about funding things myself or relying on my family. Whilst me and my fellow cadets are at sea during our 3rd year, we receive a monthly stipend from our sponsor. I understand that my sponsor will withhold $300 per month to fund my final year at college. They may also pay this stipend directly to me each month, in which case I understand that it is my responsibility to save $300 for 12 months from the stipend to pay for my final year tuition to IMEC at the end of the year. I am so grateful for the support and trust my sponsor has shown in me. And I think it is only fair that cadets like me are expected to serve them for a minimum of 5 years after graduation. If a sponsoring company cannot offer this employment, IMEC will allocate the cadet to another company who can accommodate them. As cadets, we must understand that being certified at graduation doesn't automatically entitle us to an officer position. It is up to the company to decide our ranking. It will therefore be up to me to demonstrate to the company that I am competent and mature enough to become an officer. I will do everything possible to adhere to these obligations. But it is important for me to understand that I or any cadet can be terminated from the program if they do not meet the academic or behavior standards which IMEC expect. If they are absent from their studies for a prolonged period, if they are involved in any illegal activity in or out of college, if this should happen, or if a cadet decides to leave of their own accord, they become liable to pay back all money owed, up to a maximum of 500,000 pesos. This is to ensure that all cadets have a fair yet disciplined experience. By adhering to these rules, the IMEC cadet process not only prepares me academically and practically for a life at sea, but will also equip me with the standard and principles required to be a successful seafarer.